Hi guys, and welcome to an impromptu pack opening. So I've been building up and saving up all of my packs that I've been earning over the last several weeks. All my free packs, 25k packs from SBCs, packs from basically doing upgrades and stuff along those lines. And I've been building all these packs up over the last several weeks and been saving them for the Team of the Year coming out. So I'm going to go open all of these packs today and you're going to see the best of them. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and also please subscribe if you're new. So let's get into the packs. Okay, start off with the 25k pack and we get a big flare and we get Gabby. It's okay, he'll do. Put him in second 25k pack. Another half decent flare there. Ooh, Gundogan. Last of my 25k packs in, and we get another big flare. Okay, so here we go with some 15k packs in. Not great. New 15k pack. No one to write home about, really. 15k pack, here we come. Nothing on that one then. So we've got some 7.k packs here then to open up. We've got 6 or 7 of them, and we start off with Mario Gaspar. Nothing. Fuck all. Now I know you shouldn't really do this, but I'm just going to open a couple of 25k packs with coins and see what I can get out of it. You never know, I might be able to get something half decent. Maybe not in that pack. One cheeky 15k pack. Oh, come on, what have you got him? Oh, got Kante. Oh, got Kante. Alright, last 15k pack with coins. Definitely last pack with coins. So just a couple of gold packs to go and that'll be the end of this. So we've got one more gold pack after this one, and then that is it for this pack opening. So last gold pack, and that's just going to get, gave me a rare player, which ain't bad. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching the video today, guys. Please subscribe if you're new, and thanks for watching. Bye.